Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's the real Yellow Girl 247. This evening is Sunday. I'm home. As you can see, I'm okay, looking the way God created me. Thank you everybody that is supporting my channel, everything. We have 300 subscribers now. Please support. Let us move it to the next level, okay? Today, I joke. I'm not taking it so serious, but joke. Truth today is a joke, okay? Blunt and reality. So, today we are going to talk about Benin demon, okay? We have heard about Yoruba demon. A lot of states have demon. Nigeria have demon everywhere. Even this Europe, there is Spanish demon, there is Germany demon, there is everybody demon in so many men, okay? We are going to talk about Benin demon today, okay? So, the man that we will classify as a Benin demon today, is that man, if you see them, carry your slippers, run, The man that we will call a Benin demon, are classified as a Benin demon. Watch out for this behavior. A Benin demon is that man. He will be claiming, I'm a traditional man. Nobody will fit try me. I'm a traditional man. Get right to marry whoever I want marry anything. For you, people will be boyfriend and girlfriend. Is claiming tradition. 2, that man that always lie. He will even lie on your face, safe. He will just lie face to face for your eye. 3, he never walk. Benin demon, he know they ever want walk for Europe. The Benin demon for Europe, he know they ever want walk. If he be your boyfriend, if he be your husband, he will never want to walk. He will drain your energy. You will walk. He never see anything good in you. That is a Benin demon. Run away, ladies. 3, Benin demon, you will be with them for years. He never see wife for Benin demon. He never see wife for. He still session. Benin demon, you will born 4 children, 5 children for her. He never see wife. He never marry. He never choose. He will have girlfriend that he will be telling that, now you are one marry. I feel marry. I never marry. Now boy just born for me. That is what you will hear from a Benin demon. If you be their girlfriend, carry your leg and run away. If you be their wife, see am, carry your 2 legs and your children and pick race. Benin demon, he will never bring money for food. He will never take care of his children. He will never even pay your bride price if you like born 20 children. He never see woman wey wan marry. He still dey fine. Benin demon can even include the family join self. They will be making you, looking for everything they want to take from you. It is everything, give me. You will never see anything from them. Benin demon, you can stay with you for 20 years. He will never pay his house rent. He will never pay for food. He will not even know how many classes children they sell for school. Benin demon, he will never call your family. If you are even sitting next to him, you say, my mother say one greeting, you say, tell her, say I'm not there. Benin demon, that is Benin demon for you. Some of them, baby mama everywhere. They will have baby mama in Germany. They will have baby mama in Austria. They will have baby mama in London. They will have baby mama in Italy. Some will be pregnant for them. They never see wife. They see they fine. He will tell you all of them don't have character. They're not good. All those women. They want just born. Or some of them are the raper. He no want born. They just carry belly. They say they don't go remove her. He will be telling you because you believe that you are the main chick, but you are not still the main chick. He will still have one that is still telling that he never see wife, you no get character, you too dey give problem, too dey fight. Benin demon, he can lie. Every minute is lying. He have problem of lies up and down. Benin demon is used to manipulating. It will cause problem. You will be thinking that you are the fault, you are the problem. My sister, don't think you are the fault, you are the problem. Benin demon will drive you crazy. So just sit down, look out where. If you see all this sign, my sister, don't let him leave you. Because if he leave you, he go still come back, come beg you, say, I beg. He wants to come back. No, don't let Benin demon leave you. That one are the secret. Leave them. Just pack your load, disappear, change your line. No even have contact. Benin demon, don't have contact with them until you heal yourself. Because Benin demon, they cause a lot of damages. They cause a lot of damages. They will tell this woman, I be traditional man. I can have 20 wives. I can have 20 children. I can have 20 waiting come. Manipulation is their tools. They can tell you all these things. Say, they have 20 wives and they are marrying every minute. They can marry in Bilbao. They will go and marry in Valencia. The woman will pay bride price because many women here in Europe, they have low self-esteem. They can bring money and pay bride price for man. Benin demon will never bring in one cover to pay bride price. It's you that will pay bride price for him. He can go to Lugo and pay bride price. He can go to France and still marry in France. He can go to Germany and marry. He's always marrying. I know one. He's marrying everywhere. Maybe of these women don't know. The family at times is involved in all this fraud. Benin demon. Lie, claiming of a traditional man. Let me break it to you. If you are a traditional man, you know what is tradition? Many, I have seen so many Senegalese. They have 2 wives. See, the 2 wives is like this together. They wear the same clothes. They stay in the same house. They do everything. If you send 50 euro for the first wife, if you send 50 for the second one, that is the traditional man that can marry more than 2 or 3 or 4. Not a man that will pregnant one in Germany, pregnant one in Holland, pregnant one in Bilbao, pregnant one in Valencia, pregnant the other one. Let me break it down for you. Benin demon. If you don't know what is tradition, if you want to be doing over marriage or marry everywhere, make sure you have a home. A Benin demon doesn't even have a house. If you have one room that is living, it is a woman that is paying for that room. Now one woman will pay for that room. It know they ever get money for her. They need demon. If you can't go visit yourself, now you go supermarket, bring money, come and take buy food. You know they ever get money. He go stay, go they stay house, he no go gree pay for house. He go get paper self, some they get paper, they no go gree work. So no get self, you no be immigration woman where they share paper for people. If man no get, if you want follow man, wanna level up, follow man, a man that have document like you. It is called the same level. Follow man wey get document like you, not be man wey no get document. Because if he there with you because of one thing or the other, if you don't level up yourself, he will drop you. A Benin demon is always with you for something. Even some of those, that Benin demon friend will be calling you mama. They will be calling you our wife. Even their family will be calling you their wife because they know what they want to get from you. That is why you shouldn't allow a Benin demon to deal with you. Because if you go into a kata with a Benin demon, your life will never be the same again. Your life will never be the same again. At times we have a better man that you wanted to marry. Benin demon will enter there and draw you out and put you in a way that will destroy you. Because a Benin demon is a man that the devil have designed. The devil designed them. Put all the evil inside their head. Nothing good ever comes out from a Benin demon. I know many of you will think that it will change. They don't change at all. They know they change. He put all the evil on top of the darkness. They always see darkness. He will come. It is designed to go and destroy every woman they encounter with. Any woman a Benin demon encounter with, he will make sure he destroy that woman. He will make that woman miserable. She will never be herself again if you encounter with a Benin demon. this demon, this type of men that is already designed to destroy you. They will never bring anything good into your life. All the good thing in your life, they will drain you, drain the energy, drain everything. They will make you be a multiple baby mama, make you be with a lot of baby, because why they will give you a lot of baby, so that you will have something. You are stuck. They will stop you. Make sure that you are stuck one place. You cannot move more than there. You cannot do anything with your life, because they are designed to destroy every woman they encounter with. They will destroy them. They are always looking for what a woman have that they will take. Even if they have millions beneath demon must have something he want to do with his money. He must have something. He must. If he have money, he will put a tag on it. I want to use it for something, but your own, you will never. You know they use them for something. If you are married to a beneath demon, you will be using your money to cook, feed parents, do everything. But a beneath demon will be building house in wherever, in Kafachan. When he finish building the house, he will say everything is my own. So ladies, be careful of beneath demon. When you see them, sit down, watch this video, pick all those things. Even if €1 milk finish for us, a beneath demon will not even talk. He prefer the children will even be hungry. He will not even mind. A beneath demon self can even send you to the road to go and bring money from the road, to go and be doing prostitution. He will hold the baby for you. You will walk and walk and walk and walk and walk. You will make you. He doesn't care where you get money from. A beneath demon. So far you have money. His penis is sharp. He sharp his penis. He can use it to do anything for you. But bring money. He can send you to go to the street for coal. He will be under heater and be taking care of the baby. A beneath demon is a nanny. He will take care of your baby. But you go and find money from the street. He doesn't care. A beneath demon are those ones too that bleach. They bleach themselves. They want to look like a woman. They want to look clean, as they call it. For me, to be bleached is not clean, nothing. They want to bleach themselves. Even a black woman is clean too. So they want to bleach themselves. They will bleach it, and you will see their finger will be longer than the woman. If you see those type of man, my sister, run away from them, because if they are with you, they will be maintaining themselves. You will look unye. You will look unye like what they used to swear in the village. So be careful. Watch out for beneath demon. They gossip a lot. They will cause problem between you and other women. You will be calling other women, hey, leave my husband alone. They are making you crazy. Now they will be happy inside their mind. They have already drawn the love triangle. When you will be fighting with other women, you will be having issues with other women. You will be, hey, the other women will be swearing for you. They will cause problem, commotion in your life. Because if there is no commotion, how can a beneath demon be happy now? When his work is to destroy, is to cause problem, is to cause issue between other women. When you are with a beneath demon, they gossip a lot. At times, they will never leave you in the marriage, but the whole city will hear that you are no more together. They have left you. You will be walking in the city, walking around in the city. People will be looking at you. They will be saying, "This is my husband, don't do that." But that is the work of a beneath demon. He will lie to people that don't have character. You are not good. Even if you have a good image, a beneath demon will destroy you first before anything. That is why you should watch out for a beneath demon. Whenever they come around, their wallet is never open. They never have money. They always like to be fit, they believe they are entitled to everything. They are traditional man. Don't allow them to pack you with a lot of children, because that is what many of them are doing now. They will pack you with a lot of children. They like gaslighting. They're going to gaslight you. They will leave you when they will say they don't want again 1 minute. Next minute they want. 1 minute they don't want. Next minute they want. When you will leave them and you start living your life, going out with another man, maybe they will bring you to social media or bring you to somewhere that you are cheating. They think you don't have a life, that you have to wait for them anytime their madness or their rubbish start. You have to wait for them. if you don't wait, you try and move on with your life, a belief demon will gaslight you. It will tell the whole city that you are a prostitute. A belief demon never pay bride price. It will never pay a true bride price for your head. If you like 120 sugar, you never see one, you never marry. So watch out and be careful for beneath demon. Okay? Those men that don't like to invest, don't like to pay a penny out, they always believe in themselves. Watch out, ladies. Leave them before they leave you. Leave them. Rush away from them. They are demons. They are designed to destroy women. Nothing more. Bye bye, my ladies. See you and happy Sunday, everyone. Bye bye.